I'm Bill Rainey with Granite City Electric, and I'm here to share with you another way that Granite City Electric's Real Easy Solutions can help you make more money. Today we're going to talk about another huge labor saver, crimp-on pulling eyes. Making up a pulling head on a large feeder pull can be one of the most costly and labor-killing tasks on the job site. And because a failed pulling head can also turn into a disaster if you lose a leg during the pull, it usually ends up being made by the foreman or the lead electrician, making it even more costly. If you've ever lost a leg during a pull and had to half hitch a rope to the conductors and pull them back, you know exactly what I mean. Not to mention the thousands of pounds of cable that you end up with on the floor that you have to pull back into the conduit later. Check these things out. Staggered lengths, so we have a nice smooth attachment point. Double crimped with our 12-ton high press right here at the wire department. And a window right in the barrel. Make sure that there's a good purchase on that conductor. Now how much labor did that just save? A ton. And we stock these from number 8 right up through 750. So in your next feeder pull, make sure you ask us for installed pulling eyes. Now traditionally the pulling head is made up a couple of ways. Either a pulling basket with a Kellem'son grip and lots of duct tape to smooth it out, or a mechanical spider with the Allens and you tighten them down in each one of the cups. What GC can now offer you are these awesome high press eyes installed by our certified team right here at our wire department. Now you simply order up your wire parallel, hopefully using our colored wire conductors instead of the traditional black ones, which is another big labor saver in your job site. Order them up on our partition rapid reels and ask for pulling eyes and you're ready to go. Hang the reel, attach the grips directly to your bullet, and get going. We think you'll put that Kellem'son back in the gang box, never to be seen again. High press pulling eyes, just one more labor saver to help you make more money. Thanks for watching. We hope you're busy, and watch out for more real easy wire handling solutions from Granite City Electric. These solutions can allow 2 men to do the work of 4. And remember, at Granite City Electric, we never lose sight of our primary responsibility to you, our customer, and that is to help you make more money.